Well, it is that time again. I am going to get my car from Vendetta with the new clutch installed. We are taking the RCF on up there, so should be pretty fun. So can't wait to get the car back. We're here at Vendetta Speed. Mr. Jeremy did a good job. Doing a final test drive on it, and then I will get it in and tell you guys what I think of it. Well, got the car back. The clutch pedal doesn't come back up yet because it is such a new clutch. But the first thing I can tell you is the engagement is way at the bottom. I mean, it is way down there. It will get better, Robert said, over time. But yeah, it's just kind of hard going into gears and stuff. But it's just so cold out still. Motor hadn't warmed up. But yeah, it's just kind of hard to put into gears. This is the first thing I'm noticing. Let's go this way. So he told me just to pump the brake pedal, or the clutch pedal, and that it will actually help it. So I'm just gonna keep pumping it. It's tight. It's really, really tight. Like extremely tight. I'm pressing the heck out of it, so it'll just work itself out. It's just gonna take some learning. Clutch is brand new. Let's go over here and actually put it on my trip number 2. Yeah, new clutch, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna go grab some lunch with my buddy up here. Let it out nice. So far, it's not the same for sure. It definitely feels different. It grabs really, really nice, so I really like that. And it should work itself out. I'll have an update. I'll make a video a little later, maybe next week, of when the clutch, it feels, back to normal. There's definitely about that much play when I'm pushing down, but that much is grabbing, and so it's pretty close to the disengagement point. And so it's kind of harder to drive, but it's not too bad. Just got to break the clutch in and take it easy, drive it around, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Alrighty guys, so it has been about a little over a week since I've picked up the car from Vendetta, getting the clutch in, and I want you to see the clutch pedal is not down, and it feels really good. It feels just like stock now. So it's broken in now. The clutch is for sure broken in. So the clutch is definitely broken in. I have around 500 miles on the car. on the clutch. So to me, it's broken in. I've given it a couple pulls to see what it felt like, and oh my gosh, I can tell you this thing grabs so well. I love this. It feels so smooth. Whenever you get into gear and you just let that clutch out, shifting, it's not like it was before, slipping and being a little soft. It's pretty firm, and you definitely know when the clutch is out. So I'm gonna go drive around real quick and just kind of show you and talk to you about what I think about the ACT heavy duty clutch here. If you don't hit the gas, you can definitely feel the clutch grabbing. Like, I don't know, it's like a vibration. It's like, you know, gripping that flywheel. And it definitely feels really, really good. But yeah, the clutch is not spongy anymore, the pedal. It is firm. It's not heavier than the stock clutch either. It's actually feels about the same. It may be a little heavier, but it's just about the same to drive it. It feels the same, you know. All good things so far to say about the clutch. So it is working very well with the stock flywheel. I've had no problems with it so far, and so that is definitely a good thing. But yeah, like I said, it's holding the power, like no problems. I haven't had it slip on me. Hasn't made any noise. There is one thing. There is a little bit of clutch chatter when the car warms up. It's very faint, but there is some clutch chatter, and so I'm not sure if it'll go away later on when it, you know, breaks in. I've heard from people that the ACT clutch always chatters, and I've heard from some people that it does go away after the car is broken in, or I'm sorry, I should say the clutch is broken in. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Like I said, I only have about 500 miles on the clutch so far, so it technically kind of is break-in period still, kind of, almost toward the end. But the clutch chatter doesn't bother me as long as it doesn't get worse and worse. But right now it's very minute, but I can definitely hear it. But yeah, car drives great. Clutch engagement is about the same as the stock clutch engagement on this car, which is around the middle. Starts to grab, and it just feels really good, like I said. And so I definitely like the ACT clutch. It works well with the stock flywheel, and I'm just very, very happy to have the car back. Alrighty guys, well that is what I think about this clutch. It is doing a really good job. So good news is the Camaro is back. It's got some new wheels and such, so I will be doing another video with that here in the future. It's good to have the car back. Also, I'll be doing some more videos with the ST. It's got some goodies for it coming soon. So if you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And I will see you guys in the next video.